Okay, our next topic will be convolution of two functions. Convolution of two functions. So, from the previous lessons, if Laplace transform of f of t is f of s and Laplace transform of g of t is g of s, then Laplace transform of f of t convolved with g of t is equal to the product of their Laplace transforms. Then if I am to take the inverse Laplace transform of both, f of t convolved with g of t is inverse Laplace transform of f of s multiplied by g of s. So, therefore, kung makakakita tayo ng product ng dalawang s, ng function of s, pag kinuha natin ang Laplace transform, this is just simply the convolution of the inverse Laplace transform of f of s, which is f of t, with the inverse Laplace transform of uh, g of s, which is g of t. But by definition, convolution of two function f of t convolved with g of t is equal to integral from 0 to t of f of tau g of t minus tau d tau. So meaning to say, kung nakita natin tong f of t, papalitan lang natin siya ng tau, and t for g of t is t minus tau. So let us try to convolve two functions. Say for example, if I have here t convolved with t squared. So this is t times, it's not t times t squared ha. It is convolution of this function t and another function t squared. So if I have here f of t be equal to t, then f of tau is tau. And if g of t is t squared, then g of t minus tau is t minus tau raised to the second power. Because this is equal to, using this principle, by definition, that's integral from 0 to t, f of tau, which is tau, g of t minus tau, which is t minus tau raised to the second power, d tau. Then evaluating the integral, then t convolved with t squared is equal now to integral from 0 to t of tau. So I can expand this. That gives us t squared minus twice the product of t and tau. So that's 2t tau plus tau squared d tau. So this is integral from 0 to t of tau d tau. That t squared is a constant and that must be put outside because we are integrating with respect to tau. So therefore non-tau I considered constant. Minus 2t. 2t here is a constant. Integral from 0 to t of tau times tau is tau squared d tau. Again, this is tau. Dinistribute natin doon. That gives us tau squared plus integral from 0 to t of tau cube d tau. Because tau times tau cube is tau cube. Then, simplifying this by integrating this first. So this is t squared, tau squared over 2 from 0 to t minus 2t tau cube over 3 from 0 to t plus tau to the 4 over 4 from 0 to t. So that gives us 1/2 t squared minus 0 squared, upper minus lower, minus 2/3 t cube minus 0 cube, plus 1/4 t to the 4th minus 0 to the 4th. So this gives us 1/2 t to the 4th minus 2/3 t to the 4th plus 1/2 t to the 4th. So simplifying this by LCD, that gives us 12. You have t to the 4th here. So 12 is the LCD. 12 divided by 2 is 6 times 1 is 6. 12 divided by 3 is 4 times that is negative 8. 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 1 is plus 3. Then we will have 6 minus 8 plus 3 is equal to 1 over 12 t to the fourth. So this therefore is the answer upon convolving t and t squared. So let us try naman to convolve t squared convolve with t. So what we will try to find out here, if f of t convolve with g of t is equal to g of t convolve with f of t. So we will try to prove if whether or not if convolution is commutative. Convolution is commutative. So if it happens to be equal, then therefore we can say that convolution is commutative. So let us try. So if t squared convolve with t, na masosolve natin is the same as that of what we have solved here as 1 over 12 t to the fourth, then we can prove that t squared convolve with t or convolution is commutative. So in here we have f of t is t squared, then f of tau is equal to tau squared. G of t is equal to t, then g of t minus tau is simply t minus tau. So this is equal to, by definition, integral from 0 to t of, let me rewrite the definition, that's t minus tau d tau. So therefore, this is integral from 0 to t of f of tau, which is tau squared, multiplied by g of t minus tau, which is t minus tau d tau. So this is t integral from 0 to t of tau squared d tau. T is a constant and that must be put outside, minus integral from 0 to t of tau cube d tau. So integrating, we have tau cube over 3 from 0 to t minus tau to the fourth over 4 from 0 to t. So this is t over 3, that's t cube minus 0 cube minus 1 over 4 t to the 4 minus 0 to the 4. So that's 1 over 3 t to the fourth minus 1 over 4 t to the fourth. So again, by simplifying, LCD is 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 1 is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 t to the fourth. So that this is also equal to 1 over 12 t to the fourth. So therefore, we can say convolution therefore is commutative, because we have proven that t squared convolved with t is the same as t convolved with t squared. So convolution is commutative.